How to sew a quarter square triangle block. Place your fabric squares pretty side to pretty side. Using a straight edge, draw a line from corner to corner. Sew 1/4 inch on both sides of your drawn line. Now that that's done, cut on the center line. Pretty half square triangle. Let's keep going. Press open the seams. Lay the squares pretty side to pretty side. I like it so that there's contrasting fabric colors, making sure that the seams align. Double check the alignment on the corner and then using a pin, tack that side. Use a guide on your ruler to line up with your seam, and then place your ruler from corner to corner. Draw another line. While holding your finger in the middle, lift up the fabric to confirm alignment. While keeping your finger in the center so that the fabric doesn't shift, lower your fabric. Place a pin along the seam. This will help prevent the fabric from shifting and you'll get nice points. Once again, sew 1/4 inch on both sides of your drawn line. Trim down the center line, press the seams open. Time to square up. Now you know how to sew a quarter square triangle block.